Hi students, today I'll help you to solve this question using easy method. This is a highly important question from quadratic equation chapter. The question is, if the roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that 2b is equal to a plus c. This question is highly important for 10th CBSE Board Exam for 2025. So we'll see how we can solve this question. The given equation is b minus c into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0. What is the standard form of a quadratic equation? Let this be px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, where p is not equal to 0 and p, q and r belongs to real number. Okay. So if we compare this equation with this equation, what we get? P is equal to b minus c, q is equal to c minus a, and r is equal to a minus b. R is equal to a minus b. In this case, we'll add p plus q plus r. P plus q plus. I'll tell you why we are adding this. P plus q plus r is equal to b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. B and b cancel, a and n cancel, c and c is equal to 0. So what we know, if p plus q plus r is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 is a root of px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. You should ask one question, why? So if you'll put x is equal to 1 in this equation, p into 1 square plus q into 1 plus r is equal to 0. That is p plus q plus r is equal to 0. X is equal to 1 is a root of this equation. X is equal to 1 is a root of this equation. Now, so here we can also use another method using discriminant, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and we know if roots are equal, then d is equal to 0. But that method is lengthy, so I'll recommend you to solve using this method. Now, 1 is one root of equation. Let alpha and beta be the two roots. Let alpha and beta be the roots of the above equation. And let alpha is equal to 1. Alpha into beta is equal to what? Constant term by coefficient of x square. Term that r by coefficient of x square, in this case is p, is equal to, so what is r in this case? A minus b by what is p? B minus c. So what is given? Roots are equal. If alpha is equal to 1, then alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1. That is, beta is also equal to 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to a minus b by b minus c. Cross multiplication, 1 into b minus c is equal to a minus b minus c is equal to a minus b. Shift the side, b plus b is equal to a plus c. 2b is equal to a plus c. That's it. I'll repeat once again. This question is highly important for CBSE Board Exam 2025. This question is from quadratic equation. Question is, if the roots of the equation b minus a into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0 are equal, then prove that 2b is equal to a plus c. So what is given? B minus a into x square plus c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0. Here I have taken px square plus qx plus r. Why? Because ABC terms are already given. Even you can take ax square plus bx plus c. Make sure you take capital A, capital B, capital C. P is not equal to 0 and p, q and r belongs to real numbers. So if we compare these two equations, we get coefficient of x square b minus c. Here it's a p. So match the coefficient both sides. P is equal to b minus c, q is equal to c minus a, and r is equal to a minus b. Add this coefficient p, q and r. So p plus q plus r is equal to 0. If p plus q plus r is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 is a root of px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0. Why? If you will put 1 here, p into 1 square plus q into 1 plus r is equal to, it means what? P plus q plus r is equal to 0. Just assume alpha and beta be the two roots of the above equation. Let alpha is equal to 1. Then by default beta is also equal to 1. Why? Because it is given roots are equal. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 1. That is beta is equal to what we know? Product of roots is equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. That is r by p. So we can write here a minus b by b minus c. Why? Because r is equal to a minus b and p is equal to b minus c. So 1 into 1 is equal to a minus b by b minus c. 1 is cross multiplication, b minus c is equal to a minus b, b minus c is equal to a minus b, b plus b is equal to a plus c, 2b is equal to a plus c. That's it. If you like this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.